Do you know what one of my favourite sounds is? It's a sound. Feet on gravel. I don't know why. I just find it a really comforting outdoor sound. So yeah, it's a great sound, I love it. Feels like I'm marching. My own little army. I love it. So I'm out here today. Out in sunny Suffolk. Beautiful day. Very windy. Actually, it's not that windy. It's just because I'm down by the water. But, just enjoying. Spring is finally here. It's been a very long time coming. Feels like it anyway. Here it is. I'll just stop. Just appreciate that. Look at that. The tide's out. It does look better when the tide's in, admittedly. But isn't that beautiful? Look at the sun. Look at the nice blue sky. Actually, it's still quite cloudy. It's quite misty, actually. It's like a weather forecaster. But gorgeous day. Oh, vitamin D. It's time to start topping up, isn't it? Top up on that vitamin D. A real feel-good thing, isn't it? Just some fresh air. I've done my work for the day. Start quite early, so my day's now done. And oh, it's beautiful. Just be outside, just even if it's like half an hour. Just be out in the fresh air, just reconnecting and grounding and having to think about what the day's going to hold, what the rest of the day's going to hold, you know. So, yeah. And the birds are happy as can be. I have no idea what sort of bird that is in a tree. Up the top there. Don't know. No idea. Oh, thank goodness winter is finally done. It was very long. It's a very long winter. So, I'll tell you something, if I keep holding this phone like this, I'm going to get a really big muscle on one arm. So, anywho, oh, now my gravel's gone. I've got no more gravel. Just, oh, bit of gravel. That makes me happy. Do you know what? It's the simple things in life, isn't it? It hasn't even got to be much. I come across